Hey guys, welcome to Be Easy Beekeeping. Today I'm going to show you how I assemble a frame. First, I'm going to take the two ends and add eyelets into the pre-drilled holes. Once that's done, I'm going to take the top of the frame and I will break off the inner part that's already pre-cut. Next, I'm going to take my Titebond 3 Ultimate wood glue and I'm going to put it in all the joints where it connects. Once you've got that connected, make sure you wipe off all the excess glue that's oozing out from the side. Now I have 3 different size nails for a frame. On the bottom, you're going to use the mid-size nail and put one on each side. Now take the longer nail and put 2 on each side of the top. This will give it a super strong hold. That way nothing will move once it's filled. Next, I like to use my smallest nail and put 2 on one side of the frame. Now on your small nail on the side of the frame, wrap it around a couple times and then nail it down. String up your frame and pull the wires tight. Once you get to the end, you will wrap it around the bottom nail on the side of the frame. Okay, clip off any excess wire that's sticking up, and that's it, guys. That's a fully assembled deep body frame, and all you have to do is add the wax. I'm sorry guys, I don't have any wax with me, or I'd show you how to do it, but just put the wax in there, take a wire embedder and press the wire into the wax, and you're done.